to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man.
Wagwan. Let's get into our Car Jenna Roundup.
That's right, starting it off with Kanye. So Kanye is back in the news, and he just never stopped with the tomfoolery. He actually just recently bought Candace Owens' husband's company, which is a new social media platform. We'll put the name right here.
It's labeled Pinnacle, but this was a bad choice for me. And you know, Dr. Ross, all of this debauchery and everything that's been going on with Kanye stems from one root cause. Kim. So Kanye, you shouldn't be mad at Kim. You should be mad at yourself.
Exactly.
When you tried to run for president for 2024, then you tried to sell your products, then you said you hate everyone. Thumbs down. You wore the mask a little bit too early. You should have wore it for Halloween. Running up to Miss Irina Shank's door and saying...
Freaking her out in the middle of the night.
Making her call the cops on you.
I thought you was a burglar. A big, fat, funky, nasty, stinky, black, one-eyed motherfucking burglar. Why didn't you not, you raggedy son of a...
I live here.
You sass me again, boy, and I'll cut you.
The only high point you had in this entire part was when you were with Irina Shank, but you messed that up. Now, Kanye, you should take a look at yourself, and you getting back on Twitter, that's nothing much, Kanye, because you're in hot water. And a lot of companies are cutting ties with Kanye, even Goodwill.
They sound very similar.
Jason, what did you do?
I can't really hear that well.
What did you do, Jason?
Oh my gosh.
Jason.
Oh my gosh.
Jason, what did you do?
Kanye.
And Goodwill is a place that you donate your leftover things to.
And that place is free. So Kanye, I don't know how you got cut ties with them, but
Let's
you need
get
a
into our
reason.
next hot topic.
Yes, sir.
Jason Momoa fishes in Lincoln Claw. What are your thoughts about this, IK?
You know, Dr. Ross, Jason Momoa is back out there and he's trying to get his swerve on. We heard they're making a new Aquaman. We'd love to be a part of it.
That's
Keep
right.
on doing you.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
Let's get into our next hot topic with Rihanna having her new song Lift Me Up in Wakanda Forever. Thumbs down. I personally
It's
feel
a half and half.
I personally feel the song is not that good, it's not that powerful, and it doesn't lift me up. But let's get into our next hot topic.
So Heidi Klum's daughter addressed the controversial lingerie shoot she did with her mother, and she actually said it fit just right. What are your thoughts on this, IK? Where both her mother and her were lingerie.
This is a thumbs up, Dr. Ross. We might have to have him as the She's Hot contest winners. But remember, you gotta put your vote down below and let us know what you think at our email and our DMs. But you know what? That actually reminds me. We're getting into our winner for the She's Hot contest.
That's
Our winner is none other than the beautiful lady we met earlier this night. Her photo's right here, along with her Instagram information. Congratulations on your win.
That's right.
She was dressed up this Halloween as an angel. And I love
Heavenly.
it. Thumbs up.
And if you ever need acting headshots, she's the girl to go to.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic with Vision. So we all know how Vision got killed off in Avengers Infinity War, but apparently they're bringing him back for a new TV show with a white version of himself.
Because they want some moolah. Everything revolves around the money.
Exactly.
Especially with Marvel.
We'd love to be in the next Marvel TV show.
That's right.
And as you know, I'm gonna be the next Miles Morales, so stay
That's
tuned
right.
for that. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you on the next episode of Rosengold. And make sure to stay tuned for the personals.xyz. All of our updates are on our Instagram and on our YouTube. So make sure to like, follow, and subscribe, as well as send this video to all of your friends and family.
That's right. Happy Halloween.
And before we go out, we want to give a quick mention to a few of our friends at Mecca Matcha, Yank Apparel, Cat Tattoo, Ask for Miss Sherry, Waylon, at Anvil Tattoo.
That's right.
And we'll see you in the next episode.